Don Huck. I'm the owner-operator of Talkin' Books Plus Bookstore. One of the biggest effects of COVID-19 on the business was that we were closed for 7 weeks because we were not considered essential. Now that we've been open, people who used to go to the library have started finding us for the first time. And we have started selling more online books. One of the things we've been doing to get through this time period is we've been doing more on social media than we have ever had before. Posting things on Facebook, LinkedIn, Nextdoor. The other thing is we've been selling more books through our eBay store than we ever have before. One of the things that make us unique and why we're in business after all these years is that we rent audiobooks. It's a very unique process. We take the CDs out of the original box, put them into plastic cases for rent. People can rent them by the week, or if they listen often, we have what's known as a membership plan. We also sell both new and used audiobooks, as well as used paper and hardback books. We've got a big selection of regular books now, as well as a selection of used DVDs. So come on down to Talkin' Books Plus Bookstore. The address is 3333 South Wadsworth Boulevard, Unit C105 in Lakewood, Colorado. The phone number is 303-969-8848. Our hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 9 to 7, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you come on in, you got to come and meet the store cats, Hemingway and Gypsy, and also the world-famous Speedy the Turtle. So love to see you. Come on by if you want some books.